Hi guys, Ralph again. Right, I've got a little unboxing video for you. I'm going to try something. I bought this on Amazon the other day. It's a, well, we can try it together, to be honest. It's a lens kit for for the phone. I mean, you know the situation around here. I've got desk and whatever, and well, it's inside a garage. Not really enough space. Wouldn't mind things being a little bigger, especially when we had the compact video and everything was taken up by the box and you couldn't see anything beyond. So what I've done is I've bought this a 3-in-1 lens kit to go over the lens on the phone. Now hopefully it will work. If it doesn't, it's going back to Amazon. So there's a fisheye, wide angle and a macro lens. 180 degrees supreme fisheye lens. Let's try that one. 0.36 times wide angle lens and a 20 times macro. 3 convenient clips compatible with most phones. Well, they said it was compatible with the S7, but that is, I don't know. Very nice cardboard, let's just say. Very nice and smooth cardboard. Very Chinese. Not to sound bad or racist or anything, but they do make exceptionally good, cheap cardboard, which I don't know if their ink contents are any good. Let's try. Right. How to get a better use? Right, just best to clip it on. Hope for the best. Okay, so let's try. Let's say this one. I've got the looks like the macro fisheye. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad, really, does it? All nicely in a little box with a oh my goodness, its own little fake silk bag, pulled string bag. Okay, I'm already disappointed as it is. Well, if it's any good, then it shouldn't need all this bump. God, that spring is tight. Right, so which way do I put this? Screw it tightly. What? What? It's already on. Clip to your phone, so that will go that way. Right. Ah, okay. So you can leave the clip on, you just take the lens off. That's plastic, but that is a metal, it seems. So let's have a look. Okay. Things may be going dark, but bear with me a second. Ooh, funky. Right. I don't know whether this will work. Oh, hello. You dirty bugger. Look at that. This is my pointy finger on the right hand. As I think I burnt myself at work. That is just disgusting. Get off. Look at the dirt between all the lines and the cracks. Oh, the other side, fingerprint. Wow. I didn't think this would actually work, but I need to clean my hands. You can't tell. You honestly can't tell. In the first bit I was showing you this part here, and the other one was the fingerprint, but good God. That's ridiculous. I like something that makes me smile. Right. Let's try the wide. 0.36 widescreen one. Okay, a bit dusty on the top. Oh my God! You got it lined up. Oh, hello. This is not my. I am not this fat, obviously. That's better. But yeah, you can see a lot more. So out of focus, it's ridiculous. Gotta make sure that's really in the right place. Anything out off of where it should be just doesn't. Okay, that's not really going to work because it's so out of focus over here, and it is bowing as well. It's distorting as well a little. But okay, I'm not entirely impressed. I just think it's disgusting looking at all the crap in my fingers. I can't see with my own bloody eyes. Right, fisheye lens. To see, we can. Again, we don't get it precisely the way it's supposed to be. That's out of focus. I'm out of focus. But right there is in focus. And that looks... Actually, you can see my water bottle over here. You can't tell what that is without... Just bows everything into it. It's curving. That's as far as I can reach. Let's have a look. Yeah. I can't see the part over here because the clip for the lens is on it. I don't think they're any good to use, you know. So I think these may be going back under the excuse of they're bloody useless. So yeah. Yeah, they're going back. Can't use them for this. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's a good review of the BOW model MFE4 3-in-1 fisheye wide angle macro lens from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Gonna get some money back on them. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, donate on Patreon. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.